you know, I was like so worried about him because he came into the trance and then he was like, you know, doing blow-by in his face and kept smacking down on his body and he'd get all ashy and just a couple of hours. And I kept worrying about him going into pulmonary hypertension and shut. So I said they need to admit him and put him in because
that's milk on the face.
milk drunk.
Hi.
Milk drunk.
I think Miss Sue's gonna have a wet shoulder if she's not careful. Don't put me down, Mama. How dare you? That's not what we are. That's not what we agreed upon.
What a cool little boy. God, he's getting so big.
I know. I don't know if I wrapped him wrong or maybe he's just still hungry.